It's snow!
Are you kidding me? Y'all, it is snowing so hard in Mississippi. The puppy's gonna be froze, y'all.
Oh, at least we have a fire. Do I need to go get him?
Huh?
Do I need to go get him and put him in his kennel upstairs?
Yeah, probably, but he needs to go to the bathroom first. Good gracious.
Daddy.
This is unreal.
Daddy.
Oh, quit. I'm gonna get you. Come inside. Come on. All right, so the cat's inside, and Julie's going outside to get the puppy. I mean, y'all, look at this. It is snowing.
Look at me, I'm getting freezing.
It is snowing hard, y'all.
I'm going to snowman tomorrow.
Ainsley, I can't believe it.
I know. Dad thought there wasn't going to be a little bit of snow.
Whoa! Where you going, boo? Huh?
Dad said there wasn't going to be a little bit of snow.
What are you doing?
Dad.
Did Mama take you to the bathroom?
Dad.
Come on. Hey, out here. Out here.
Hey, Dad.
Come here, Gunner.
Dad said there wasn't going to be a little bit of snow.
Let him go to the bathroom. Let him pee good.
Dad said there wasn't going to be a little bit of snow.
I had no idea. Look at the snow, Julie.
I told you God had a plan for everything.
Do what?
I told you God had a plan for everything.
I am amazed, y'all. And it is cold, too.
Look at down, it's cold. I'm so cold right now.
I mean, it is unbelievable, y'all.
How long do I have to keep him out?
Just till he pees, you watch him?
When he does.
Huh?
This is
He
so
will.
cold. This is so cold.
Huh? Ain't this awesome?
No, not that it's so cold.
God is so good to us. He does some of the funnest stuff. Look, you know what? God has the best sense of humor. Because yesterday in Mississippi, it was literally 80 degrees. 80 degrees. And you know what he said? He said, I'm finna show them folks in Mississippi something. Didn't he? I mean, look at that. It is slap snowing. I built a fire today because it had cooled off so much. But I had no idea that we were gonna be getting all this. No idea.
Dad, better look out.
Don't hit me with a snowball.
I'm
All right,
so
so we
cold.
bought the bad mean puppy upstairs. Hey, he can't hurt all of these big deer Aiden killed.
This one isn't signed, Dad.
Okay, well, as long as none of them baseballs are like signed baseballs or nothing, he can have
He
them.
can get these turkey legs, though.
Yeah, you better put them up there on Aiden's desk. Hey, Gunner. Hey, Gunner. When I was coming up, we would have never put a dog inside the house just because it was a little cold weather.
A little cold? You need a big
So
cold?
look, that's a big one
Big one.
right there.
Big one.
Oh, well, wow, Aiden's.
And look, this one fell the other day, broke the skull. It's another big one
Big one.
that
Big one.
Aiden's killed. And then here is about 167-inch split G2. Big one.
Big one.
Right there. So,
Uh-oh.
alright.
Big one. Big one. Take them. Dig them.
Hey,
Dig them.
hey man.
Big one. Take them. Where'd your baseball go?
So we had this made for Aiden when?
In 2018.
2018. So this is 2021. He's a senior, junior. So this would have been his freshman year right here at Winston Academy. So y'all can kind of see. There he is doing a bunt. Look at there. I remember that right there. That was at Leak. He had a home run on that ball right there his freshman year. That's a really cool picture.
He always likes to slide.
Yep, he does. He's stealing. That's home plate right there. Isn't that neat? And here he is pitching right here. There he is. He started center field in the 9th grade. There he is. That right there is signature Aiden, if you don't know. Julie fusses at him all the time about him.
His hands right
About
there.
him adjusting himself.
You do.
Isn't that neat? All right.
Gosh, look, that kid looks so little compared to him.
He's always comfortable, y'all. Always comfortable. And that, he plays so hard. That's pretty awesome. I asked him how could he throw a strike with his eyes closed. And that's me with my prison jumpsuit on, just being funny one day dragging the field. Right. That's him in center, him getting the lead.
That's a really good.
That's a really good picture. So that's when we played with the Starkville 14U Little League team. That's when we went to Grand Junction, Colorado, and played there. Really good picture. Oh, these are really awesome. Yeah, that's in Grand Junction, Colorado. Yep. That's pretty special stuff there.
Look, that's him and Daddy.
Picture. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Daddy, your legs are so tan. I think your legs are better looking now than they were then.
Yeah.
Look at there.
Pretty neat.
Oh.
That's pretty
Can
awesome.
I check on this?
Mm-hmm.
It's small, but
Oh,
Mom, but it's
he's certainly thinner and everything there,
Yeah,
isn't he?
he is.
I mean, not as muscular at all. I mean, probably muscular, but just not as
Yeah, well, he still is just
still real young.
yeah. Pretty neat right there. All right, so this is the next year Julie had this done in 2019. So you can tell he's kind of maturing a little bit more.
He was 16 here.
Happy 16th birthday.
So this would have been when he was 15.
Yeah, this was his sophomore year. Definitely more grown.
How'd y'all get those pictures?
If you don't know much about Aiden, Aiden loves to bunt. I mean, he can. It really helps his average. If he gets in a little slump, he'll bunt, slash, hit. I mean, it's kind of what he's doing here, slashing a little bit. It's pretty neat. That's a great picture right there. There he is, number 2. There's Briley, Brian, and Josh McGinnis. So this is when he broke his hand sliding back into a base. Maybe I can slide that video in there when he had to do that. There he is right there, being a teammate, you know.
Okay, Gunner's got something off the table.
Oh, get that skull from him, Ainsley.
Oh no! Come back here.
Team picture.
Hey! Yeah.
Really good. He's back playing here.
Drop. Go.
Pretty awesome.
Here.
I remember that. That's at Canton. We beat them that night to first win in the district. That's a neat picture right
Yeah,
there.
because there's the ball up there.
That's French camp.
And there's
Matter of
Daddy.
fact, that may be when, yeah, there I am. That may be when he broke his hand. Matter of fact, that's that French camp. Great picture right there. Love that.
Can I see? Where was Aiden? Oh, there he is.
Right there with his glasses. He's normally always going to have his glasses on. Because with his blue eyes, the sun gets in his... Oh, no.
Look at that.
Who is that?
Me.
You have done that a bunch, hadn't you?
I still
All right. Well, we're gonna go
Thanks for
downstairs.
following the Fanchos.
We're not done yet, but we close. Stay warm last night? Huh? Did you stay warm last night? Huh? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, I can't believe we got all this snow in Mississippi. And I know it's not a lot to you folks. You was about the bus, wasn't you? To you folks up in the north part of the country. But for us, I'm telling you, yesterday morning it was, well, let's see, yeah, 70 degrees when we got up, and then started cooling off, and then by last night, this is what we got. Come here, Gunner. Come on, man. Come on, man. He smells something. So anyway, we got snow. I'm gonna go to baseball practice this morning, and then Aiden's got to work out with the Brewers tomorrow. So that's what we're gonna be doing with the Fanchers. All right, we're gonna go to a little Winston Academy baseball practice in the snow. Look at all the snow still on top of the houses. Crazy. I still can't believe we got all that snow. Can you? Crazy. I'm gonna do a little work with the catchers. Aiden and them will probably hit, throw a bullpen, and then we'll head down to Jackson this afternoon for the Brewers workout. That'll be another video. I'm gonna put all the snow last night and this morning and stuff like that on this video. Baseball practice today. There's some snow. You see that blind Will got? That's pretty cool. I don't know what kind of blind that is. One of Aiden's buddies got it. It's pretty sharp though. What's coming? Pretty cool. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. New kids, huh?
You like those turfs?
I like those turfs. You like those turfs?
I love these turfs.
They look good. Did y'all kill any ducks?
Yes. Killed 8. Lost
Did you
1.
really? Mallards, wood ducks,
All kind. We killed mallards.
spoonbills. When a fella says all kinds, they killed a bunch of spoonbills.
Oh, we killed teal, gadwall, mallard. You can't forget the greenhead. What else we killed, Jet? Greenhead.
Dang, Briley's ready. He's got batting gloves in his pocket and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do some catching drills.
Of course, man. Gotta get out there today.
Good.
Where'd your arms go? Away, and you need to tell him that. I might not be looking. When you hit that ball like that, you disengage. You have a good stretch, and if something goes wrong and I don't hit that ball solid, I can't disengage. Slide more, try to keep it back home, okay?
Miss the baseball. Don't miss it.
Everybody stop for a minute. You're in bad trouble in a game with a ball that is actually being thrown out of the pitcher's hand to you. You've got to focus hard and make yourself keep your head still. All you move is your eyes. Your eyes is what tracks the ball, not your head, your eyes. The second thing you have got to do is have a good pause on your stretch, your stride, however you've been referred to that as. You cannot dive forward out on your front foot. You've got to pick up and you've got to let it glide forward. Okay? so that my weight stays back. Some of us are doing a great job at these first two things. Some of us aren't. I can't see you every pitch. That's really good.
Swing brings the foot down.
We don't want that to happen. Try to plant that front foot without it going to the side.
That's good. Nice read.
Yeah, he his wife was pregnant up. They just waste their time. My head still, where'd your head go? I'm looking at your eyes as soon as you make contact. Keep your head in the hip zone. It should lift up a little bit on contact and follow your swing plan. It shouldn't come out around your body.
Relax your hands a little bit. Relax your hands, son.
So don't squeeze the back so hard, okay? Get it out in those middle creases, okay? Play the piano. Glide.
Don't miss it. Get there early. Load early. Earlier than you think you need to. Really nice. Get there earlier. It's okay. Come on, get there.
It's not like it makes it.
Good. 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 Make sure we get around it. Beat it to the spot. Good. Beat it to the spot. Good. Good. All right, outside pitch. Good. Beat it to the spot. Come on. Don't miss it. Let's go. Throw it to him firm. Let's go. Firm. Throw it to him firm. Good. 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 Get on one knee. Get low. Get low. Good. Good. Nice. Nice. Go. Good. Make sure I'm getting around it. Lead with my glove. Go. Nice. Better. Go. Get there. Explode. Explode. Good. Bounce back. Go.
We got a few more minutes. Tuesday, I'll have everything set up for how you pitch each week. Even if it's not a bullpen day, as Brian said, we're going to throw flat pins. We're going to throw. And we got to. So, as I said the other day, Dalton's Tuesday guy, Brian is Friday guy, and I mean, just about. First to save people anyway. 1 inning apiece, get 5 out of starters or more, and go from there. Some of us are gonna be where we can go a few more pitches earlier in the year this year. We're at a different level than we were. So I'm all good with everything. If somebody's not here, you got to help get them here. That's part of it.
Take till 3. 1, 2, 3.